Hello everybody and welcome to a quick no financial advice video today, a quick update on Michael Saylor, because as every Sunday we got the news, he's buying more Bitcoin. Tomorrow probably is an announcement, or Tuesday, because the markets are closed tomorrow. So anyways, he kept with a tweet, so now that's the 11th week in a row, but he wrote things will be different tomorrow. So does that mean that he did a bigger buy tomorrow than he usually does? That's my intuition, because when I looked at the price action yesterday, the price of MicroStrategy went up in line with the price of Bitcoin, only up 1% more than the price of Bitcoin, when really MicroStrategy should have spiked much more, just if we look at the usual correlation, but also it should have spiked much more because of expiration. So I don't know how much ATM it tapped, but is it in the billions of dollars? That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm guessing it is. Also, we know that whenever he taps the ATM, he turns around and buys Bitcoin pretty quick. And so depending on how he timed it, you can see when the market opened yesterday at 2:30 p.m. UTC, so that's the universal time, that'd be about 102,700. It quickly jumped up to 104. So essentially the Bitcoin he could have bought could have been between 102 and 104 in my view. Let's call it 103 to 104. Who knows where Bitcoin will be tomorrow with the inauguration of the new administration in the United States. And that's what I want to conclude really briefly with this video. Is we got more stuff going on. So Saylor is now at the highest level of the U.S. government. We know Vivek Ramaswamy, he's going to be the DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency, that was pushed by Elon Musk. He's with Elon Musk, so clearly Saylor is 1 degree of freedom from Musk. And we know Saylor talks to a lot of people, but it just doesn't say. If you follow Saylor and listen to all of his podcasts, he talks about meeting a lot of very highly influential people, but he never discloses what is discussed. So did he meet Trump? Maybe. Did he meet Musk? Maybe. I mean, the odds that he met Musk when Tesla announced its major purchase of Bitcoin, I would argue those odds are pretty high. Note how there was a ball, and so I'm assuming this has to do with the new incoming administration, because that's where this picture was posted. And he spelled ball with the little Bitcoin sign. So he's in Washington, D.C. We also know that he met the president-elect's son of the United States. Two friends, one passion, Bitcoin. This was the caption. So this is a continuation of that. He must be privy to some information about what's going to be the announcement tomorrow, which is why I intimate that he made a bigger buy, probably because he must be aware of some information. And I want to conclude really briefly this video. Now, of course, he tweeted France could use more Bitcoin because he met Sarah Knafo in France. But to me, this is not as much a news about France as it is a news about the European Union. Easy getting involved at the European Union. Because if you remember, Sarah Knafo, she made a speech about the EU, the European Union, adopting also a strategic reserve of Bitcoin, a strategic Bitcoin reserve. And that speech is still online. You can still look at it, and so she was praised, of course, by the Bitcoin community after doing that speech, and so she's been pushing for that at the European Parliament. And you can see she says no to the CBDC and yes to Bitcoin. And so I'm assuming that meeting had more to do about France than, had more to do about the EU than it had to do about France, because her party in France is not the highest. And anyways, France politics is a mess. So I think she's going to have more impact at the EU level. So again, he's getting involved at a high level of government. He likely has access to information that we don't have because he's in his situation, and so I'm expecting a bigger buy tomorrow, and I think it's going to be more than $1 billion. But that's just my hope. Of course, this is no financial advice, not investment advice ever on this channel. Just entertainment. A shorter video today because I'm on the road today. That's why you get a shorter video today. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.